Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are doing the parts of plant. Parts of plant. These are the material. This is a printed material. Okay, in a puzzle shape. Okay, let's start. Flower. Flower.
Flower.
Flower.
Flower.
Flower.
Flower.
Yes, put here. Next is leaves. 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 Leaves.
Leaves.
Good. Put here. Join it. Next is stem.
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 Now fourth is roots.
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 Put here. Okay. Now put the name tag. Okay. Flower.
Flower.
Where is the name of flower? F flower. F flower. F for flower.
Flower.
F L
F-L.
O W
L-W-E-R.
E R. Flower.
Flower.
Where is flower? Here is no. Yeah, there is flower. Yes, put here. Okay, next is leaves. Leaves. Where is leaves? Yes, then one is the leaves. 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 L-E
L-E-A-B-E-S.
A-B-E-S. Leaves.
Leaves.
There is the lots of leaves. Okay, leaf. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Leaves. There is the lots of leaf. Put here. Leaves. Now next is third number is stem. 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 Stem.
Stem.
S-T-E-M.
S-T-E-M.
Stem.
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 So stem.
Stem.
So stem.
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 Yes, put here. Now fourth is root. Root. Roots.
Roots.
R-O-O-T-S.
T-S.
Roots.
Roots.
Where is roots? Here is roots.
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 Yes. Parts of plant.
Parts of plant.
Yes, put here. Parts of plant. Flower, leaves, stem, roots. Flower, leaves, stem, roots. Okay, bye.